coming. What are you doing in the passenger seat?
Oh, I had that fucking tire.
3 feet. Don't feel pretty at all. Hold on a second, let me get behind you. This is what we're working with here. Go for it. Well, it can't get any higher. Keep walking it. Keep walking it, little bit. Little bit. Holy shit, dude, that fucking tire, look at that. She's getting ready to sit down. That's almost worth getting out right there, bud. That's worth getting out and looking at. Oh, yeah.
I am gonna fucking light line beside here.
No, once you get down in there, dude, it sits down.
Oh, I mean, I'm already on my fender.
Oh, are you?
Look.
Yeah, that's a fucking good one, dude. Oh, yeah, you're gonna wipe that side mirror out. Well, dude.
Holy fuck.
Was mine that high?
No.
See, my left tire came down in that rut, I think is why you're so much higher.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna fucking come along myself sideways.
Are ya?
Yeah. Cause I don't, dude, that's my only mirror.
Yeah, let's do it.
That's fucking gnarly. Push that center button.